Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. So, this video is from AP Precalculus and from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. The function r is given by r of x equals negative 3 times x to the power of 8 plus 5 times x to the power of 4 minus 6. Which of the following describes the end behavior of r? So let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is negative 3 times x to the power of 8. So now let's understand how the leading term, negative 3 times x to the power of 8, dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity. So, first of all, I will break down this negative 3 times x to the power of 8 terms in two pieces. Let's analyze x to the power of 8 first. When we substitute a negative value for x, and this becomes is positive since the exponent is an even number. Same thing for x to the power of 8. When I substitute a positive number, since the exponent is positive, this will be positive. Now I need to analyze negative 3 times x to the power of 8. So which means negative 3 times, let's use the negative case first to the, I was going to just write negative and to the power of 8. So negative times, we know that it's positive. Negative times positive is negative, turns into a negative. And when we have here negative 3 times positive to the power of 8. So we know that is negative times positive. Negative times positive is still negative. So in each cases, and so this is negative infinity, and when it's positive infinity, the result is still negative infinity. So based on this, based on this analysis, our correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.